My name is Ashok Kakadia, Director of Penex HVAC Industries Private Limited, Rajkot. We are manufacturing in all type of HVAC component like water-cooled screw chiller, water-cooled scroll chillers, and all type of heat exchanger, Shell tube evaporator, Shell tube condenser. We are manufacturing started in 2008. Our largest customer in pharma, chemicals plant, intermediates plant, and pharma plants. We are participating last time in Engiexpo 2025 in largest customers range, and expo in overall 2 CR business I have been giving, and Engiexpo is best our last success expo.